Hi viewers, K218b is one of the greatest alien exoplanets where the alien life is recently confirmed using the data received by the James Webb. The scientists from USA and UK recently confirmed, that means in 2025 April, that there is definitely about 99.99% there is a alien life right now in the planet of K218b that is located about 124 light years from Earth and solar system, because they have researched they have made the research from 2023 to this April 2025 and confirm the existence of the dimethyl sulfide or DMS. This is a molecule that could be only produced by the living organism. So the confirmation of the existence of the dimethyl sulfide suggests that there is definitely the living organism in the planet of K218b. So this is the first confirmation for the alien life a part of our Earth. So far the scientists have suggested that there would be alien life within our solar system or maybe in other exoplanets, but they didn't confirm so far. So this is the first time in the April 2025 the confirming for alien life in an exoplanet has done. So after our Earth, the alien existence of an alien life, at least in the microbial format or as a algae or bacteria or one cell organism, is proved right now. This is the one of the greatest achievement of the history of astronomy. So this achievement has been reached in this April 2025. So this month as well as this year would be the golden year as well as the month for the astronomical development in the world. All the world right now talking about the exoplanet K218b, even though it is located about 124 light years, that is much further, but when compared with other longer distances in the universe, this is nothing. So one day the human hope to reach there and live with other microbial organisms that is right now confirmed in this exoplanet. So there are many other evidence also for this finding. Let us discuss what are other evidence. The first one is as we said already, the confirmation of the dimethyl sulfide. So the dimethyl sulfide is the molecule that could only produce by the life, at least microbial life. So that suggests that there must be a life existing in the planet. The second evidence is the habitable zone. The planet is rotating its parent star, that is K218, in the habitable zone. Actually the parent star is a red dwarf star. It is much smaller than our sun. So this kind of red dwarf stars habitable zone are much closer than our Earth and sun. So this particular planet that is called K218b is rotating its parent star in the correct habitable zone that is much smaller than our Earth to the sun. As well as this planet is proved to be contain the similar temperature that of Earth, so that may help for the production of the life. The maximum temperature that had been proved right now is about 200 Celsius. Even though when this temperature goes to the underneath of the ocean, this temperature will become as favorable for life as that is found in our Earth. Another important point is this planet is a Haitian planet. Haitian planet means a planet that is totally covered by oceans or water as well as hydrogen rich atmosphere. So this planet is much larger than our Earth, that is about 2.5 to 3 times larger than our Earth. So these kind of planets are called to be sub-Neptunian planets. It means these kind of exoplanets are smaller than our Neptune but larger than, at least 2 times larger than our Earth. So this planet has much more places for harboring life, since this planet is about 3 times larger than our Earth. And this planet has more water because this planet is a Haitian planet fully covered by the oceans, so there is more room for survival of life. Actually, the scientists believe there may be organism like fish, jellyfish or starfish also, but further researches are needed to confirm this. Another very important point about this planet is this planet takes just 33 Earth days to rotate its parent star. So 1 year of this planet is just 33 Earth days. So if you are living in this planet, you can celebrate your birthdays once in 33 days. Another very important point about this K218b planet is it is a Haitian planet, as well as it has much more hydrogen than any other exoplanets found so far. So this hydrogen is much favorable for the earlier production of life. In our Earth, the hydrogen as well as oxygen contributed for the formation of the life and oceans. So if this planet is totally covered by the ocean, there must be oxygen also, because the water is the production of the hydrogen as well as the oxygen atoms. So there are oxygen also, as well as carbon oxide also detected in the atmosphere of this planet. Carbon oxide also contributing in the larger part for the organic production or the formation of the life. In our earliest Earth, the production of the life in the ocean is the result of the carbonic molecules. So the detection of the carbon oxide in this planet also is a great proof for the existence of the life. So far we have discussed the greatest proofs for that in the planet of K218b. This exoplanet is located about 124 light years from our Earth, and it is the best place for searching alien life. Another very important thing that we are about our sun, we know that our sun is now 50 years old. It means that our sun has formed about 4.5 billion years ago, and it will live about another 4 billion years. After that, the sun will meet its fate. When sun meet its fate, the earth also fully destroyed. So the human being at that time have to search another exoplanet or another place in this in this Milky Way galaxy for living, to continuing their existence, because the earth will be destroyed when the sun destroys itself. Sun becomes as a white dwarf after 4 billion years from now. So but the stars like red dwarf, that is K218, that is a red dwarf star which is much smaller than our sun but lives trillions of years. Since our sun's lifetime is about 9 billion years, the average lifetime of a red dwarf star such as K218 is a trillion years or 100 billion years. So even after the destruction of our earth by the sun, the human being can visit to the K218b and continue their life, because if the K218b is only harboring the microbial life, there will be no threatening for the human being. But if the K218b is harboring the dangerous life, the human being may face some threatening when visited there. Whatever the human being right now have a hope for their future life or future exoplanet, even after billions of years. The technology would develop much faster than we think, and within billions of years, definitely the human being will find a way to travel between planets and stars much quicker as we think right now. So it will be possible in the future that the human being will reach this exoplanet. So far we have brought the greatest updates about the confirmation of the microbial life in the exoplanet called K218b, which is the best place for alien life after our Earth. Please join with us these kind of astronomical, biological, physical and psychological updates, and subscribe our channel and support and comment to our videos. Thank you very much for watching.